Jennifer Ponson just sent me a bag. I am so excited. You've probably heard of her before. She is a jewelry designer based out of Florida, and her bracelets, she has these medallion bracelets. They are like all over Instagram. They are so beautiful, but who knew that she also has leather bags? Her stuff is so beautiful. So I am just so excited. Let's unbox it together, shall we? Now, I just want to preface this that I'm not really like a hair on hide kind of girl. Here's my criticism of hair on hide. I'm usually afraid that the little hairs are going to fall off and then the leather bag is not going to look good. And I think that can happen over time. However, when I saw this bag on Jennifer Ponson's website, I was like, oh my gosh, yes. And here's why it's fantastic, okay? This is, oh my gosh, she put extra things in here. Oh my word. Okay, this sling bag, look at it, okay? It is hair on hide. We know that after years and years of use, hide hair can fall off. But what I love about this bag is, look at that. It's a copper colored leather. So as time goes on, even if, you know, some of the hairs fall off, what's it going to reveal? This awesome copper color. Sorry for the sunshine. But look at that. It is so beautiful. And it smells good and it feels good. This is like super, super soft. Oh my goodness. Okay. So this is a sling bag, which I cannot wait to wear. I think this would look so cute with like a army green kind of like jacket all year round, but I'm especially interested in the fall and winter for this bag. So pretty. So let me see what else she put in here. Oh my goodness. So thank you, Jennifer. Oh my word. She is so kind. Look at this. This is the matching belt. And look, there's her maker's mark, her initials, JP. But look at this beautiful, beautiful belt. Same thing, hair on hide with a copper colored leather underneath. Again, what I love about this is as time goes on and wear happens and we lose some of that hair, it's only going to expose the beautiful copper colored leather underneath. And I'm perfectly okay with that. I think it's gonna wear so well. And this is gonna be so fun to style, you guys. Like, I'm not usually a belt girl, but I know that this is super fun. And I can wear it loose, I can wear it like angled. This is gonna be fun to style, but okay. So let's go back to the sling bag. So she has these on her website, and look at the contrasting detail of the lining fabric, like gingham, like what? Like that is just such a surprise. I just love it. I loved this bag the moment I saw it. So, so she has other colors too. This one, of course, has the black leather. Oh, and there's her maker's mark again. JP for Jennifer Ponson. And so she has a couple different pieces from the hair on hide collection. She has raspberry and gold. I'm just looking at my notes. It's like a raspberry and gold color. She has a speckled 3-tone with like black, brown, and white. She has a rainbow speckled bag, which is so fun. And that is, it's like speckled with rainbow colors and also brown and white. And then she has this bag in solid colors. She has it in solid green, solid white, and solid black as well, which is just so fun. And on her website, when I was reading her website, I really liked how she said that accessories should be something that like lifts your spirits, makes you feel better, gives you confidence. And she connected that with mental health and said that, you know, when we give ourselves like those little things that just make us feel a little more confident and a little more beautiful, and we're creative and expressive, it helps our mental health. And I was like, yeah, I like that. As who wouldn't like that as a good reason to pull the trigger on another bag. But anyway, she has a beautiful cowhide leather collection. She's got belts, sling bags like this, hats also, which are so cool. They're leather and hair on hide hats. Just a fun collection. And she even has makeup bags in these. But definitely check out her jewelry because like I said, her gold coin bracelet is all over Instagram. It's so pretty. I'm thinking about it. But for now, Jennifer, thank you so much for this beautiful bag. I cannot wait to style this with different outfits. It's going to be so much fun. So if you are thinking about hair on hide and you want to try it in your collection, I would really try this maker because again, when the hair on hide falls off, it's only going to continue to reveal the beautiful copper underneath or whatever other color you choose to get. And I have not seen that done before. In all the other hair on hide pieces I have ever seen, the underneath part is just not as pretty, and then the bag is just not going to look good as it wears. But this is only going to shine more. It's only going to look cooler. So I just love it. So thank you so much, Jennifer. Check them out. And if you would like free shipping, I have a code for you. It is the code FREESHIP, FREESHIP, and that will get you free shipping off of an order of $150 or more. So go to her website. It's JenniferPonson.com. That's JenniferPonson.com. Bye, guys.